Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to create QR code in Microsoft Edge. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So to create a QR code for a web page, for example, let's launch any web page. Now right click on any available place on the web page and select create QR code for this page. If you right click on some active element of a web page, image or video, then Edge will create a QR code specifically for this image, not for the page. Okay, create a QR code for the web page, and as you can see we have two options, copy or download. If we click copy, then we can paste this QR code and send it to any social network, chat, messenger, or even paste it into any text editor such as Microsoft Word. If we choose download, then the QR code will be saved in the download folder as a PNG image. Close the QR code window, click these three dots and select downloads, and here it is, the saved QR code in the form of an image. If you don't know where the download folder is, then click these three dots again, go to settings and find downloads on the left side. And as you can see, the full path to the download folder is shown here. And moreover, this folder can be changed by clicking on the change button. That's all I wanted to tell you. Now you know for more. Thanks for watching.